Now we're all set to go down to the west end.
So how many people over a season would you get to carry on the train?
About 20,000.
20,000 people?
Yeah. Yeah, we do quite well. So that's very good. Now these tracks are not the original tracks, because everything was torn up when the Toronto Suburban was finished.
You were saying before one of the reasons for the changing of the tracks was because the original trolleys in Toronto were drawn by horses, was it?
That was one reason, and the tracks were wider apart because the Toronto people did not want boxcars and railway cars to run down the street, so they made the tracks a little bit wider. In fact, the tracks are 4 foot 8 7/8 inches wide, and the mathematicians nowadays, if you figured that out, it would be 1.5 meters in those days. Yeah.
So you've been out here for 21 years doing this. Volunteering, everyone volunteers.
That's right, yeah. Yeah. So, I was out long before that, but I didn't get involved till about that time. I was actually too old to do anything good here. Although I do what I can.
Being the conductor.
These cars are a little different than the other ones to operate.
You have to change the track now, do you? Again?
No.
No?
No. The car behind us will have to change the tracks. See, we're all set to go in here now. I've got to be very careful because so that because we have to watch the trolleys that they go over the right tracks, the trolley wires. And the conductor, he's watching now. I can't see.
Very good. What is the maximum speed you can get the train up to?
Oh, we go about 20, 25 mile an hour. That's the most. But they used to run quite fast. Now that car there, when it was built, that was built for 85 mile an hour. Now it's 60, but we can't drive it that fast because of the
trip would be over too soon then.
And the tracks would be a little bit something else again.
Is there much
too.
maintenance to the tracks?
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
We got a lot of ties to put in, and of course there's a crew that looks after the tracks all the time. And if you look at all the yellow equipment, that was given to us by the CPR, and so we'll be able to do a lot of track work mechanically with those. So that will be quite a help for us, you know. Yeah.
So you're always looking for volunteers then to come out and help?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Young ones, not
yeah.
agey ones like me.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for the tour today.
My pleasure.
See you again.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. All aboard? All aboard? Okay.